Deckhand captures stunning images of monster waves crashing into the Manly ferry, as wild weather hit Sydney at the weekend. A Sydney deckhand has captured amazing images of the Manly ferry being swamped by monster waves. Horrendous conditions on Sydney Harbour over the weekend gave ferry worker Haig Gilchrist the chance to hone his photography skills. A stunning image he managed to snap amongst the chaos shows a huge wall of water about to crash into the side of the ferry. East Coast low intensifying, Mr. Gilchrist captioned the photo he shared on Instagram, later commenting, "Great day to be working." The image has taken the internet by storm, with hundreds of commenters praising his talents as a photographer. Others were more interested in the damage the monster wave had caused. "Amazing, so what happened next?" one commented. Another snap taken over the weekend shows the bow of the ferry almost completely disappearing as it traveled through Sydney Heads. The monster waves were a result of a developing weather system rolling through the state. While the Sydney ferries could struggle with more dangerous swell, surfers will embrace Big Wednesday, with massive offshore waves. The swell is set to peak at 3 to 4 meters in some areas, with even larger and stronger conditions further offshore. The warning comes just days after 2 men drowned in separate incidents at Bondi and Bellinger, near Coffs Harbour. "The best advice we can give people is to be aware of their environment and the changing conditions," Surf Life Saving NSW Operations Manager Andy Kent said in a statement on Sunday. The weekend footage is not the first time Mr. Gilchrist has shared photos of a treacherous journey on the Manly ferry. In January, Mr. Gilchrist captured the moment the boat was thrown around on the rough surf. "I would have spent that trip in the ladies throwing up. It used to really scare me when it was like this between the heads." "Sick," one Instagram commenter wrote. "Strong stomach required. This really captures how ferocious the sea can get," said another.